Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make as much as $1,000 every single week by simply selling digital products using Twitter and WhatsApp. Now when you look right here on my screen, you can see we've actually done about 1.1 million naira right here. On a quick refresh, you can actually see that we've actually also amassed this amount within this particular period of time. But then to crunch it down to 1 week, you can also see the earnings I got via direct bank transfer. Now, because you know that if you're right here in Nigeria, people will always prefer to do direct bank transfers than actually making payments online. And in this particular video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step walkthrough on how exactly you can leverage on these two channels that I have here, Twitter and WhatsApp, and generate the massive sales that you actually need to scale your income and do so much online. Now, the very first thing I actually want us to do here is to think of a product. Yeah. So step one is you coming up with that particular product that you are going to be selling, right? And this particular product that you actually are looking to sell must actually make sure to solve a problem, right? And this is exactly what your focus should be, because the thought here should be, what exactly are my set of audience going to be looking for? Or even if it's not your audience, people that are actually out there online or wherever it is, what exactly are they looking for that you can simply solve right now and you can make money from it? Okay. Number two thing you really want to look out for when it comes to your product is looking at what I call the method, right? And this is exactly what you actually want to also consider, because if you are going to be selling a product in as much as it solves a problem, now the third thing you actually want to consider under this particular category is the result. Is this going to be your own results from your own experience or what you've done, or is this going to be other people's results, right? Whichever one it is, the major thing is that you have to look at results, and you're looking for how exactly you are going to be scaling with those results, because those results are very, very important, and those are things that people most probably would want to see. Now, once you actually have these three put together, then I would tell you most probably that you've solved the aspect of setting up your product. Now, the step two right here is really going to be the medium with which your customers are obviously going to see your product and then purchase your product. So that is exactly what I call the funnel, because this funnel is now the process from where your customer will get to see whatever you are selling to where they get to buy whatever you are selling. And you obviously need to create a couple of things that will actually lead your customers through a very simple funnel that most probably would lead to them purchasing your product. Now, in this particular case, I leverage on two major things. Now, the very first thing you're going to be needing in this particular category is a website to sell your products. And in this particular case, we are going to be leveraging on Sales. Sales is a simple digital product website of which you can actually use to sell any of your products, and you can also use it to collect money in your local currency and also in different foreign currencies, which makes this a very good tool in this case where you are willing to collect payments from different parts of the world, especially through the medium that you're using to get your traffic from, right? So whether it's your local currency, Nigeria, Naira, and you want bank transfers, you obviously can get it from there. Or even if it's going to be, people paying from different, part of Africa and all, you can also leverage on this particular platform to make the most of it, right? Now, the second tool we're going to be using here for our funnel is OneMission. Now, OneMission here is the second tool that will actually help us to set up a landing page, but not just that, but also help us to set up a follow-up via WhatsApp. Now, I'm actually going to be leveraging on the WhatsApp funnel right here, because this actually is going to make it very easy and very smooth and straightforward to actually reach our audience. That's where they actually are straight up. Now, let us go ahead and set up this particular funnel for ourselves. So what you actually want to do right now is to go over on sales.co, SELLZ.co. And once you are there, you can easily just create an account for yourself, and you're not going to be able to upload the product. In my case, I'm going to be logging in, right? Since I already have an account existing, and I'm just going to proceed to, log into my account. And I can basically see here, I've actually done about $6,000 inside this particular website, as you can see on here, and I can really get to proceed to, get to set up my products in this very space. Now, to set up my products, all I simply need to do right now is to go over to payment links, and here I'm looking at setting up a payment link with which people are going to make payments for my product, and then I'm going to deliver the product to them. So this is me. I already have a course. I've already set up my products, and it's already ready to start accepting students to take on the program. But I'm going to come over here, and I'm setting up my funnel. And let's take, for example, I'm going to be selling my Faceless YouTube channel program. All right. So I'm going to come in here, and I'm going to say Faceless YT program. And what I actually want to do next is to now go ahead and write a description for this particular product. And in case you actually don't even know what kind of description you should have, or you're looking for how to craft better content for whatever, short copy you have, then you can always leverage on ChatGPT for that. Okay, so I actually came off the ChatGPT right now, and as you can see here, I say I have a course I want to sell around faceless YT program. Write me a short description copy to sell this program, focus on benefits of the product and the desires of the customer. So I'm going to repeat this right now, and ChatGPT is going to generate a very sound copy for me in this very case. Okay, so as you can see on here, it has simply just put up a cool content that I can literally use for this particular product that I am selling. And all I'm simply going to do right now is just to copy this up, come over back to sales, and then I'm going to paste this in. Right, you can actually do some formatting by simply adding spaces, or adding spaces before every paragraph, just so that it's more readable. And once you've been able to do this, and the next thing here is now to add the currency that you're willing to sell this product with, right? So in this particular case, I'm going to add Nigerian Naira since I'm in Nigeria, and you can see here, I want to put the amount in Naira. So let's take, for example, I actually want to sell this program for 30,000 Naira. And once I have this in, I can actually proceed now to other cases where I'll be checking if I want to allow customers enter desired amount. No. Do I want to redirect people to a website after payment? Yes, I want to. Now, in this particular case, I'm going to be redirecting them to, maybe once you pay, you send me a DM that you've made payments, right? So, for example, I'm going to go over to Walink, because with walink.io, I'm able to generate a quick WhatsApp link that I can simply use for redirection. Okay, so I'm going to come over here and create a free Walink. And for example, I actually have my phone number in here, and I would say, hi, I am dash. I just made payments for your Useless Whited program. Okay, so once you already have this in here, you can actually click on generate my Walink, and it goes ahead to generate a quick link that you can simply copy and come back to sales, and then you paste it inside of here. All right, let's check a couple of the advanced features on here. Do you want to collect customers' address? No. Do you want to collect customers' phone number? Yes. Do you want to add a discount code? Maybe you actually want to run a campaign around, giving people a certain discount within a period of time. We can actually get to check this particular box, and when we do, we are able to add the discount code. But in this case, we don't want to do that. I have to upload an image. So in this case, I'm going to come over here and click on browse. It's going to open up my desktop, and I'm going to upload this particular image. Now, you're going to hold on until this is 100, as you can see on here. And once it has been fully uploaded 100%, it shows green, right? You're going to see this green overlay at the top. Now, once this is done, I can click on create a payment link. Now you can see that the payment link has been created, and I can copy this particular link and first of all go ahead and do a quick test. Now on doing this particular quick test, you can basically see that this right here is what my payment links look like, and people can easily click on pay now and then they can proceed to make payments. Let me even try this particular method and let's see how it works. So I'm going to put in my name, put in my phone number, select my country, right? Now you're going to be selecting your country because your country will determine the currency that will be shown to you. So let's say, for example, you actually select Ghana, that you're from Ghana, you're going to see Ghana cedis or Kenyan shillings or even US dollars, right? So you can actually see here and click on checkout. Now for your customers who most probably want to pay by transfer, there is an option to actually make payment by transfer on here. So I'm going to click on checkout right now. And once I click on checkout, it's going to bring me over to this page where I'm going to proceed to, accept the payment on here. So let's say I'm going to be using my card. You can see that right now I'm going to be using my card in this very space for this case. But at the same time, if I'm going to be paying via bank transfer, I'm going to click on bank transfer, and it's already telling me, you can make a transfer to this particular bank, of which when you actually get to make a transfer, you'll be getting receipts in your own mail that you receive a payment, and the customer also gets a receipt that they have received a payment as well on here. Now, once this has been tested, we are sure that this works. We can actually go ahead and pick up our link, right? Let's pick up our link. and copy it and keep somewhere, because right in our funnel, we want to go over to, setting up our WhatsApp funnel that we're going to be using for this particular, product sales. So I'm going to go next now to Wamation. I'm going to be leaving all of the links that I'm going to be sharing with you guys in this video in the description, so you can always use those links to sign up straight up to the direct website. Now I'm coming over here. As you can see, I would proceed to sign into my account. Okay. Yeah, I'll proceed to sign into my account. Yeah, because I already have an account on here. But then there are several plans on Wamation, and you can easily just jump on any of them. Now, setting up your Wamation account is very simple and seamless, right? And they also have a WhatsApp support that you can always reach out to, just to kind of like help you, put you through the whole process and all. But what I'm going to do here is to set up a form, right? And in order to set up a form like this, and all you simply want to do is to proceed and click on a new form that you actually want to set up. And that is just how you start with setting up a particular form. So in this particular case right here, I'm going to edit one of the forms that I've already created, right? And when you come over, you can see that you have this page here where you actually want to create a form. You want to select a list, right? And all. Now, because you have to select a list, then it means the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and create a list. So you want to come over to broadcast and set up your list, and then go back to your forms to create it. Okay. Now, once you set up here, you can actually have your copy, as much as we can, and then put in your flyers and all. So because I actually need a header copy, right, I can simply come over here and just copy this small header copy on here, go back to Wamation, and then put it inside of here. Okay, and once I have this done, I could also add my image. Now, once you already have this text here, you can actually go ahead and upload your flyer by clicking on this option for images, and you can put up an image on here, which also sits on this particular form. Then you can proceed to select the option of the form you want. From the name, you need your WhatsApp number, because you actually want to automate your WhatsApp message sending, right, down to every other functionality you want here, even up to this particular page where you actually want to send them to. Now, in this particular case here, where you actually want to add a URL where you'll be redirecting people to, this is where you want to paste in your sales link. And once you're done, scroll down and click on update form. Now, when you click on update form, you can actually go ahead and you get to view this particular form. And let's see. Okay, let's copy the link. We can copy the link and open this particular form in your new tab and see what it looks like. Because when you do that, this is exactly what your form looks like right now. And you can simply see that it has everything, including the name, their WhatsApp number, and also the email address. Now, in order to automate this particular process via WhatsApp, all you simply want to do right now is to go over to automation, select a list you want to automate a message to, and then you want to select the same list where you have linked to this form. When people get to fill a form, they are going to be redirected to the next page, but at the same time, you send a follow-up to them via WhatsApp. All right, and you can select the list. For example, here I can click on add a new automation, right, and then select a list. From here, you can see I have like 3 lists that I have on here, with which automation have been sent already, and then I can add series of automation instead of here. So let's say in this particular case now, I click on add or view automation. You can see I have automated messages here. When people are being sent this particular form, immediately they join this particular funnel, right? And then a couple of other messages I have inside of here as well. Now, once you've actually done this, then all you simply need to do again is to copy your Wamation link, because that particular Wamation link is where everything will start from. But then this is really going to be in a case where you're looking at creating a WhatsApp funnel for follow-ups, right? That would actually now direct people to selling that particular product, because most times we've seen that people don't buy once, right? People don't buy on the first hit. Sometimes you might need to message them 2 or 3 times or do a couple of follow-ups before they finally get to buy, right? But if you're not concerned about follow-ups, then just go ahead straight up and just follow up with setting up your product on sales, and you're good to go. Now, once this is actually done, the next thing you actually want to look out for, which is step 3, is now going to be your traffic. And this exactly is going to be the source from which you're going to be getting your leads, your prospects from to buy your product, right? And in this particular case, we are obviously going to be leveraging on X, right? We're going to be leveraging on X. X, you already know, was formerly Twitter. And we're going to be leveraging on this particular, medium to be able to gather our audience from this very space. Now, all I simply did was to also go over to X, and I started making a couple of posts. So when I go over to my profile right now on X, you basically see that I started making a couple of posts, putting my pictures, giving, a couple of, insights around several topics, around several things that people most probably want to know around this particular product that I am selling, right? Now, it's also very easy to create series of content for X, because all you simply want to do is to tell ChatGPT that you are actually looking at selling this particular product, right? And you need a couple of content that will actually help you to sell this product on the X space. And with that, you are able to, get a very good, calendar of content that would actually help you to push this particular product on X. Now, another thing you actually want to do as well, especially if you are new on X, is also follow up with a couple of people that have some level of, viral content, people that have some level of audience, and maybe actually want to start commenting on their own, posts, so they can actually start getting a couple of eyeballs on your profile, and at the same time, try to collaborate with a couple of other people that have the same audience that you have, right? Now, another thing I actually did was to automate the process here. And you can actually see on this particular post here, I actually said, I just closed a $2,000 deal because I run a YouTube channel. YouTube is going to make a lot of person's millions in 2024. Now, you don't need to show your face anymore. Overthink content. Let AI do everything for you. And you make cool $3,000 extra monthly. Ask me how in the comment section. Now, I'm trying to use a very cool automation tool to leverage on this. And you can see people asking me how. And for everybody that asked me how, I didn't manually respond to every one of them. I used an AI automation tool to respond to every one of these people in their DM. I sent them a message in their DM using this particular tool. And you too can also leverage on all of these tools to, get ahead of a couple of, options and streamline the process better for you in this very space. Now, once you've been able to achieve this, because as you can see, I just looked at teaching you the organic method on how to actually get to, maximize the amount of leads and traffic you'll be getting. You can then go ahead to scale with ads, right? But then I usually would go with the route of organic traffic first, because I want to validate my product. I also want to, kind of like get some quick wins on my product sale before I then get to scale with ads. Okay, you can also use other follow-up methods. It could be email or whatever it is, but then this is exactly how it works and exactly the full funnel on how you actually want to use this particular medium to scale selling your digital product. Now, go ahead right now and get started with what I've already shared here. Follow it step by step. Watch this video over and over again so that you don't miss anything I'm going to share with you guys on this particular space. I'm going to be leaving all of the links down there in the description of particular video, so you can obviously go ahead and get started with any of them. And thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Drop me a comment. Drop me one thing you actually learned from this particular video right now. And obviously, yes, I'll see you guys in my next video, where I'll share more insights around stuff like this that will help you make more money in the online space. Thanks so much, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.